Alright guys, let's look at the next tool, which is the corner tool, right? Okay, let's get started with this. Okay, let's use this other shape. Let me take this out or reduce the size. Hold shift and drag the edge. So let me expand this so you can see it properly. So to use the corner tool, you click on this corner tool, right? As you can see in this place, you need to, once you put your mouse on this point, you can see the shape that bends like an arc behind the cursor. So you can click and drag this corner, and you can also see the radius here, the corner radius here. Right, you can see it here. So you can decide to adjust it there, right? But let's do it manually. You can come to this side too. You can do that, right? You can do this. You can, let me delete this, or let me leave it. Let me see. Let's expand this one. Try and create a design out of this. Okay. Okay. I think this looks like a chat box, right? If we extend this one here, extend it here. Let's see. Let's get this one back here. Reduce the size. The size here. Okay, let's go back to the corner to reduce this one. Just a little. Oh, what size of this? Okay, this is 67.9 pixels. And you can also bring this side here. Yeah. This can serve as the, use the move tool to move this. Reduce the size. So now let's put a text. I'm not getting here, but let's just put the text. Let's see. I want to go launch. Right, you can just do this, extend the text. And so you can use this corner tool for, depending on the idea that you have. So this is just an example of how you can use it to create like a chat box, like a chat message box. Do it like this. And you can also, so you click on this, see the corner type here, right? You can select any of these points. Let's see if we can select everything. Right, so you can just select the points and change the style here. It's concave, right? If it's straight, be this way, and let's make this other part another shape, another corner type. I make this one straight. You can make the side cut out. Make this one rounded. You can extend the roundedness like this. So you can use it how you intend to do your design. So that's the function of this corner tool, right? Now let's look at the contour tool, right? So let's click on contour tool. So we can see here, let's undo all this. Let's undo all these things we did earlier using the previous tool. So let me just do all of this. It's taking forever. All right. So let me take this back to this point back to 0. These other parts so back to 0. And type it here. 0, yeah. 0. And so everything's back to normal now. Let's do the contour tool. In the contour tool, you can manipulate the edges of every shape. Let's give this an outline. Okay, let's say 2 pixels. Let me just delete this. So we can make the outline at the outer part of the shape or the inner part of the shape. So we click on the contour tool, then we drag. See, it maintains the shape, but it goes out at this other end. You can drag it in like this, the shape stay, but the size remains the same, but the shape shrinks inward. You can drag it goes outward. Then in order to, now let's look at these other ones. You can make it force open, right? So at the middle of the shape, you can do this. And it makes it easier to create shapes like this. If you want to start learning logo designs, whatever idea you have in mind, you think you want to use this tool for. So you can use this here, right? So you go back to, if you use force closed, the middle is closed, right? But it's still outer because it's outside the line. Now do this, it's working. Then auto closed leaves it closed, right? Right. And personally, I like this force open. Create space in the middle, and different ideas can come out from this, obviously. So that's all for both the corner tool and the contour tool. Catch you guys in the next lesson.